Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my everyday summer bag. This is the stuff that I'm currently using as for everyday, and it's obviously summer. So I have this Victoria's Secret bag that I got quite a while ago. I'm not quite sure if they still sell these. I kind of want to get a new bag just because I've been using this bag for quite a few years already. It's still in good condition. I don't know, I kind of just want to update it a little bit. But I have all my stuff in here. It fits a lot of stuff, which I really like. So if I get a new bag, that's kind of the vibe I want to go for. Just something I could fit everything into. So like I said, I bought this bag quite a while ago. It fits all the stuff that I'm currently using, and we're just going to go ahead and get into it. This is my everyday summer bag. Let's just turn it this way. Okay, so we're just going to be pulling from the top. So the first things first, I have this Coola SPF 30 makeup setting spray. I am almost out of it. As you can tell, I'm just like right there at the bottom. I really liked it. I like the fact that it has SPF in it, just so it could give me a little bit more of a coverage. Not that 30 is any powerful, but I feel like if I add more sunscreen on top of already having sunscreen, I feel like I'm getting a little bit more of coverage. So, I mean, you can't, like, if it's going to do something, it's going to do something very little, but something's better than nothing is what I'm trying to say. But I am almost done with this. I will probably purchase something similar to this. I'm not sure if I'll purchase this exact thing again, but something similar, because I did kind of like it, and it wasn't too bad. It just has a really strong alcohol scent, which I don't particularly like, so that's why I'm iffy on either repurchasing it or not, but you know, we'll see. Speaking of SPF, this is my Shiseido 42 SPF for the face. It's water resistant for about 40 minutes. This is okay. It doesn't leave a white cast, which I appreciate. The only thing is I want to look for a sunscreen that gives my face a little bit more of a glow, a glowy sunscreen, if that even exists. You know what, it does exist because I do have it, but that one comes from Korea, so I would have to purchase through a Korean website in order to get that. But this one is pretty okay if you have oily skin. It's obviously oil free, so I feel like this mats me down, and I have really dry skin. Even in the summer, my skin is too dry that even matte things just don't work for me. I'm just too dry, and then I live in California, so the desert just dries me out even more. But this one is pretty alright. I just want to finish it up and then use my favorite one, so that's that. So this is the eyeshadow that I'm currently using. This is the CoverGirl True Naked. I really, really, really love these shimmers. They're kind of a metallic shimmer, and it's just so pigmented, and it's just beautiful. Neutral palette. I really like these metallics, so but I've been using this with the combination of this huge makeup palette. This is the one that I'm using. This is from BH Cosmetics. This is the Sylvia Gani Beauty. I guess this was a collaboration. I'm not too quite sure who she is. I found this at Marshall's for about $4, and these are the shades. I really like this color story. You just get a nice variety of just warm tones and blues and purples and whatnot, and you just get these really pretty highlights and stuff. So I've been using this with this, and it's been pretty nice for these past few weeks. So I'm gonna try to keep using them, see if I can hit pan on any of this stuff. Not really a project pan, but it's just something I'm doing on the back side of things. So these are my face products. So this is the Honest Beauty as a bronzer, just because it's a dark shade, and this is honestly the perfect bronze shade for me. Sorry, you guys are probably getting blinded. This is a perfect bronze shade for me. I know this is a powder for somebody who has darker skin, but for me this is just perfect, and it just blends out so beautifully. I'm so in love with it. So if I ever finish this and I finish other bronzers, I probably will repurchase this because I really, really liked it. I also have this Bare Minerals Ready Blush. I got this at Marshall's for, I believe, $7.99. It just looks like that. You would think, you know, the blush would cover the entire palette, but it doesn't because it came with a little brush. Don't know where the brush went. I lost it a long time ago, and I really don't care because I don't like the brushes that it comes with. But this is a really pretty shade. It's just very mauve-y and just perfect for a summer tan. This is the ColourPop Villains collection. This is the Hades shade. I love this packaging so much, and I'm kind of bittersweet with it because I'm happy that I'm using it, but I'm sad if I ever do finish it, which, I mean, a highlighter, who has finished a highlighter? We haven't even hit pan on any of the highlighters that I have, but I just love their packaging so much, and I just, like, I don't know what I'm going to do once I finish the packaging and stuff, because, you know, ColourPop sometimes discontinues collections, and if they discontinue, I don't know if they discontinue this collection or not, but if they do, then, you know, I won't be able to get my hands on it again. And I love the packaging. Ugh. It just sucks that makeup expires. Okay, so this is the primer that I've been using. This is the Wonder Beauty Illuminating Face Oil. I really like this. It does give me a nice base. It doesn't really enhance my foundation in any shape or form, but it does give it a nice, just illuminating base for a semi-matte, semi-glowy foundation to go on top. So it doesn't matte me down, and it doesn't give the foundation any more of a dewy finish, but it does moisturize my skin in a nice way, so I appreciate it, and it's not too bad. This has currently been my favorite, I guess, foundation. It's a tinted moisturizer, but I guess, I mean, I use it as a foundation. I don't really see it as a tinted moisturizer. I mean, technically, I guess that's just another word for a moisturizer. I mean, I guess that's another word for a foundation, tinted moisturizer. But I've been really, really liking this. This matches my skin tone perfectly. And it's just been working so nice this summer because, like I said, I've just been really, really dry lately. So using this, it doesn't matte me down. It doesn't cling onto any dry patches or anything. It has a nice base, and it's very buildable. So it's sheer, but it could build up to medium coverage. So I really, really like this one. This is from Neutrogena, and it also has SPF of 30. So again, more coverage there for SPF. This is another one that I have. This is more of a full coverage foundation. I haven't really been picking this one up too much just because I haven't been really doing any full coverage looks. It's summer, it melts off, and I don't really go out at night, but when I do, I like to use this one. This is the NARS Radiant Glow Longwear Foundation in the color Fiji. So this is another perfect shade for me as of right now. For whatever reason, I just have not gotten a tan during the summer, which I don't really mind because I don't really like being out in the sun. But this has been pretty good for the meantime, and I really want to try to finish my foundations because I have way too many and I need to go through them. This next one is the Revlon Moisture Glow Anti-Pollution Foundation. I like it, but it is too dry. I mean, I got the wrong shade. It's too light for me, so I would have to mix it with another foundation. So in order to do that, that just already sounds like too much work. But I'm almost done with it, so I want to try to make the conscious effort to try to just get through it because I'm almost done and I got the wrong shade. So I need to try finishing it up and just getting it out the way, because if not, it's just taking up space. And I don't really have anyone to give this stuff to, so I would just have to use it myself. These are all the brushes that I'm currently using. I don't really think I need to go through them. I just have a bundle of eyeshadow brushes, my bronzer brush, blush brush, and a highlighter brush. This is the brown brow highlight that I've been using. This is from Maybelline. I'm almost done with it, so after I do my eyebrows, I like to just just highlight the brow with this and just clean up any mess that I have under around my eyes. And speaking of brow eyebrows, this is the brow liner that I've been using, or brown pencil. This is the Maybelline Brown Ultra Slim. I've used the Anastasia one for the longest time, and I wanted to try something new, so I grabbed this one from Maybelline. I've really liked it. It's better than paying, I think it's like $21 for the Anastasia one. I think this one maybe is about $10, so half the price of the other one. So I think I will go out and buy another one when I do run out. I think I might still have, yep, I still have a good few more uses with this brow pencil, sorry. So I'm gonna keep using that, one of my favorites. These are my eyeliners that I've been using. This is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes and the NYX. These are both just black. I feel like just any black eyeliner just works, so don't really have to say much there. This is the Essence Say No to Redness. I've been getting a lot of pimples lately, and I don't really know why. I think it might be one of the serums that I've been using for my skincare. So I've been breaking out so much, and I've been using this to cover it up. So if you have any pimples, this is a really good, just, what's it called, creamy concealer to just cover it up. I've been really liking by just pinpointing where exactly the pimples are at, covering it up, and then putting concealer or foundation on top. So this is really good. This is from Essence. It was kind of cheap. I think it was maybe like $6. So, and you get a lot. Really like this thing. Speaking of concealer, this is the concealer I've been using. This is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I think I said Radiant for the foundation. This is the Radiant Concealer. So I got the bundle right here. I've been liking both. This is in the shade Creme Brulee. Alrighty, so this I love to use. This is the Algenist Color Correcting Eye Serum. So what I like to use this for is for my under eyes, obviously because it's an eye concealer. It has this peachy color shade. And this is perfect if you have purple eye bags, because peach cancels out purple. And sometimes when I don't get a good night's sleep, or I just see too much purple under my eyes, I put this underneath the concealer. So I put this first, and then I put my concealer, and it works wonders. It covers it up perfectly. And then this has skincare benefits, which I love even more. So not only am I covering up my purple bags, I'm also getting skincare benefits, so that's just already amazing. These are the lip products that I am currently using. I have a Laneige Lip Glowy Balm Berry that I just slap on top of these products right here. This is the Maybelline in Naked Coral. This is how that shade looks like, so pretty. I dropped it. And I just add this to the center. This is the Maybelline Beige Babe. Another really pretty, just nude. And then I add this on top. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. This is, or liquid lip, and this is in the color Naked. This is a good just lip topper. And then my eyelash curler. My mascara is Better Than Sex. This is just a little mini that I got, I think, in a BoxyCharm or Ipsy. It's been working out wonders. Want to try to finish my mascaras. And then my little beauty blender from Sonia Kashuk. This is just another little lip gloss. This is from Hey Honey. This is a little lip balm. This is a lip liner from CoverGirl in the shade Seduce. Such a pretty nude shade. Last but not least, this is my liquid eyeliner. This is Beauty For Real Finish Liquid Line. So, just trying to use up my products. And this is my everyday little bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!